Hello everyone, my name is Sean and today we're here to talk about the skeleton. Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Hello everyone, my name is Kelly. Thank you for coming here. Very thank yous. So today we're gonna learn about the skeleton, the structure for your body. So let's start. Every skeleton in the whole wide world is attached to muscles. Muscles are anchored. Tendons anchor the muscles to the bone so we can move. Without muscles or tendons, we will be just like a gingerbread. Okay, so now let's learn about the parts of a skeleton. Now, where did I put that thing? Here it is. Let's start from top to bottom. This is the skull. This is the jaw. The jaw is not part of the skull. Okay, these are the clavicle,
collarbone,
or also called the collarbone. Now turn back. These little triangles are called the triceps. And this is the spine from here to the hip where you poop. I shouldn't have said that. This is the humerus. Not humor. Not that kind of humor. Humerus. And this little arm right here is made out of two bones. It's called the ulna and radius. Ooh la la. Let's call this the hand bone, okay? This is the hip. This is the hip bone, but also known as the pelvis. Let's move this little arm. There is the ball and socket joint right here. Ball and socket joint, like the antenna on a TV. This is the femur. This somewhere at the back. Come back. And this space is the knee joint. Oh, this little thing that looks like the knee is called the patella. It's actually not attached to the bones, but the muscles are attached to the bones, and the knee is right on top of it. This little leg is made out of two bones. We're missing one right here. We're missing. And these two bones are called the tibia and fibula. I got it wrong. Let's call this the feet bone. Now, calm down. This is the rib cage. The rib cage protects the heart and lungs. See? The heart and the lungs. So let's put the rib cage back so it won't fall out. Why won't it get put? Okay. Gotcha. Also, this is the skull. Again, the skull protects the brain. Let's put this back on the torso. Also, in here, you can see the spine, right here. So there's the spine anchored to these muscles. That's why they're red. People show muscles in color red. So each animal has the same kind of parts, like this Tyrannosaurus, I think. has the same body parts things as this Triceratops except the horns. And also these has the same body parts except the horns and tails as a skeleton. We have our body skeleton. Only they're fiercer.
그 조인트 얘기죠.
Now we're gonna talk about joints. Come on. You see that this arm can turn and turn. It's because of a joint called the shoulder joint. It's connected from here to the clavicle
And scapula.
and the scapula. Turn backwards. This is the elbow joint. You can see why there is a space. The space is for the elbow joint. Okay. Now, this is the wrist joint. You can move it, but not in this model. Oops. Whoopsie. Whoops, we got the head off. Okay. Okay, we got the feet. This is the hip joint. You can move it. Ball and this is a hip joint, and it's together with a ball and socket joint, like the antenna on the TV. This is the knee joint. There's a little space. And this little thing here is the ankle joint. So this is the end. And before we leave, we're gonna do a skeleton dance. Whoops. Skelly is no bone. I made this when I was in kindergarten. Na 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 skeleton, the skeleton dance, na 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 skeleton, the skeleton dance. Bye bye, skeleton dance.